So hello and namaste everyone, welcome to the channel once again, and today in this video I'm gonna explain you about that recently Huawei Watch GT get the new update, and in this video I'm gonna detail explain about what is the new feature added by Huawei to Huawei Watch GT. Hope you guys you like this video. Please watch the video till the end, and if you are new member to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, and if you have any queries, please guys don't forget to comment below. Thank you so much guys for your. Okay guys, let's start this video. And within a software update, you can see there is a new options for software, and there is a new software update option on my phone for Huawei Watch GT, and the length of this update is 3.22 MB, and the new version name is 1.0.8.34, and there is a lot of the optimization. Now I'm going to explain what is the new optimization on this update. The number one optimization is you can now able to set the background screen for Huawei Watch GT, and you can schedule turn off or turn on the screen on your Huawei Watch GT. This is the one of the new features added by Huawei to Huawei Watch GT. And the next another optimization in this update is add a new feature that will turn off the screen when it is covered. Now this is the one of the interesting features, and they are telling about that if your screen of your Huawei Watch GT is covered by anything, now it is automatically turn off the screen. And the third and most essential features of this update is improve how heart rate is measured, increase accuracy. This is the one of the most desirable and one of the important update for those who better believe in their measuring heart rate by this Huawei Watch GT. Now there is the options for how heart rate is measured and increase accuracy, and another optimization is fix some other known issues. And please guys comment below if you are getting this update on your Huawei Watch GT or not. So okay guys, let's start this update, and I will show you what is the new feature added by Huawei to Huawei Watch GT in this update. My watch is now up to date, and as you can see there is on my watch options, once I tab over there, and you can see there is a firmware update options, and once I tab on there, now my Huawei Watch GT software is up to date, and you can see that the current version is 1.0.8.34. and now I'm going to explain you about what is the new features and where you can see these all features on your Huawei Watch GT. And there is not any new looks in your appearances, and just to find out what is the new options or what is the new features on your Huawei Watch GT, you have to follow our following steps. So okay guys, now let's start this. Where is this new update? Now go to the settings and tab on display. After go to the display, there is option of advanced. Tab on advanced. There is now you can see the new features and sleep, screen on or standby watch faces. Now this is the new features, and by go to there, now you can see you can keep your standby watch faces on your Huawei Watch GT, and they are claiming about that after keeping this watch lock screen faces, your battery will gonna be rapidly drained. Now here you can see this is the new watch faces or lock screen features of Huawei Watch GT in this update. There are two options for set lock screen on Huawei Watch GT, and one is analogous options and second one is digital. And you can see, you can choose over there and whatever you like. And if you are want to really keep this lock screen features on your Huawei Watch GT, now you can follow this step I already show you about that. And there is a lots of the new changes and lots of the new experiences on Huawei Watch GT. And thank you so much Huawei for providing these new features, always on screen features on Huawei Watch GT, because of the lots of the people who are waiting for this update. And thank you so much. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and thank you so much for being a part of the SRG channel. And your support is milestone for us, and your support is mysterious. And thank you so much guys. And if you have any queries, please guys don't forget to comment below. And I'll see you guys on next video. And if you have any kind of queries related to the tech news, please guys don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you so much guys.